Hi, welcome to Computer Billing Solutions for Civil Engineering Billing. This is an online web application for making civil engineering billing with ease from any device, mobile, tablet, laptop, and desktops. The detailed video help is provided at ravishoban.in. Users are requested to send bug information or any queries relating to online billing to email ID computerbillingSolutions@ravishoban.com. The salient features are master BOQ can be created manually online or can be imported from XLS file or from old CBS offline file. Measurements existing on Excel file can be copied into online CBS. Bill can be sent to Excel with linking formulas. Bill can be sent to PDF in standard format. Bar bending schedule can be prepared with identity of member, floor, building, designation. All measurements billed can be grouped into building, floor, members for easy verification of measurements and quantification under each group. Measurements existing on Excel file can be copied into online CBS. Previous measurements can be viewed and exported to Excel. Bill can be sent to PDF in standard format. Statements like variation, deviation, cement, steel, bitumen, consumption, and part rate statements can be generated along with bills. For better utilizing mobile screen, zooming, font scaling up and down are provided. Backup to server, no need to carry USB backup. Multiple sub-users can do billing for same work simultaneously and can have restrictions to specific work or items for editing. Material receipts and management for cement, steel, sand, etc. can be maintained. And many more features are available. Please visit to ravishoban.in. Features are mentioned here and the price details, price planning is provided. Then the contact details and subscription to newsletter is provided. All are requested to give their user email IDs to subscribe to newsletter. On login, the desktop will be like this and all the features are explained in detail with detailed videos, video help are available at ravishoban.in. All are requested to go through those things. There are a number of details, sub-user details are there, bar bending schedule, old measurement detailing and building floor member grouping, management and bill to Excel, bill to PDF and many more features are available. It can be Excel measurements can be copied in a stretch and pasted into the program.